Hello students, welcome to Badgujar Sir Maths channel, and today we are going to discuss about methods of integration. We have evaluated the integrals which can be reduced to standard form by algebraic or trigonometric simplification. Means the given integration or the given problem which are not in standard form. So, you have to reduce each and every integration, each and every question in standard form by using basic algebraic as well as trigonometric formulas. This year, we are going to study a special methods of reducing an integral of standard form, namely integration by substitution, integration by parts, and third method is integration by partial fractions. In this video, we will discuss about integration by substitution. Now, this method is very important method. Now, let us start exercise 3.2a. Question number 1, evaluate integration of log x bracket raised to n upon x with respect to x. Solution, let I is equal to the given integration. Students, you have to observe this integration. This is nothing but integration of u upon v form, that is numerator upon denominator form. But this is not possible. There is no integration of u upon v formula. So, you have to reduce this u upon v form in standard integration. Okay. See here it is integration of log x means logarithmic function and algebraic function. So, you have to simplify this given integration by using any formula to reduce to standard form. I think you are familiar with standard formulas of indefinite integration. Okay. So, you must remember that all formulas, so you will get ideas. How to convert this? We cannot simplify log x in terms of x or x in terms of log x. So, in this case you have to apply substitution method only. How to apply substitution method? You have to put t is equal to one of the functions such that its derivative is other one. Suppose t is equal to log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and that is nothing but another function is equal to 1 upon x. So, it become 1 upon x. तो यहाँ पर इस तरीके से एडजस्टमेंट दिया है, log x आएगा तो x is there. ओके. तो ऐसा सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दैट फंक्शन इज अदर फंक्शन, राइट. तो पुट t is equal to log x. तो you must remember in case of log and algebraic function put t is equal to log x. तो यहाँ पर log x मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म में आ सकता है या 1 अपॉन समथिंग x इंटू लॉग ऑफ समथिंग, इस तरीके से भी आ सकता है. ओके. और न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर फॉर्म में भी आ सकता है, राइट. सो हियर यू हैव टू अप्लाई सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. हियर पुट t is equal to log x. Then see here t is a function of x. So, you have to find out dt by dx. What is derivative of t with respect to x? Means derivative of log x with respect to x, that is 1 upon x. But see here dt by dx is a derivative operator, means it is derivative of t with respect to x, is not a ratio of two physical quantity. Okay, means this one we cannot transfer this side dx. So, you have to differentiate this with respect to itself. Okay, means you have to find out the derivative of t that is dt, and derivative of log x with respect to x is 1 upon x into derivative of x. You have to write in this way. Don't write dt by dx, right? Now you have to differentiate this with respect to itself, that is nothing but dt is equal to, what is derivative of t with respect to t, that is dt. dt is equal to 1 upon t into dx, okay. dt is equal to 1 upon t into dx. Then from this substitution you have to find out the value of dx, okay, dx, or you have to find out the value of dx upon x. What is dx upon x? It is dt. Or best way, you have to find out this value of dx. How to find out dx? By cross multiplying here, x into dx is equal to dt. So the equation 1 is integration of log x bracket raised to n upon x into dx is equal to, here you have to substitute the value of log x. What is log x? It become integration of t raised to n upon x into, see here you have to substitute, यहाँ पर आपको log x की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, and x keep as it is. What is dx? dx की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, dx is nothing but x into dt. Here x get cancel, you will get standard form, okay. It's very simple, that is nothing but integration of t raised to n upon x into dt. Now x get cancel, it become integration of, see here x get cancel, it is integration of x raised to n form. Means each and every integration you have to convert in standard form. This is first form, okay, x raised to n form. What is integration of t raised to n with respect to t? That is t raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Now resubstitute t. What is t? Log x. That is the final answer is log x bracket raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. It's very simple. In case of log and algebraic, means integration of algebraic function, you know algebraic functions, that is in terms of x, any polynomial in terms of x, either quadratic, linear, whatever may be, and logarithmic is log x, log of x square, log of something. Then you have to substitute t is equal to log x or log of the function. Now next question is from your textbook, evaluate integration of 1 upon x into bracket 3 plus log x into dx. Let I is equal to given integration. Here, again here you have to observe this, it is u upon v form and x into algebraic function. See you have to observe denominator. What is denominator? Denominator is x means algebraic into logarithmic form, that is x plus 3 plus log x, that is logarithmic form, okay. Means denominator is product of two function. I told you if it is algebraic and logarithmic, then put t is equal to logarithmic function. So put t is equal to 3 plus log x. So differentiate on both sides with respect to itself, that is dt is equal to the root of 3 is 0 plus 1 upon x into dx. So it become x into dt is equal to dx. You make a bracket for this value, then the given integration I is equal to 1 upon x into bracket 3 plus log x into dx. Here you have to substitute the value of log x, 3 plus log x and dx. What is 3 plus log x? That is t, means 1 upon x into t into what is dx? dx here, dx is nothing but x dt. Now x get cancel here, and that is nothing but 1 upon t into dt, or you can say that integration of dt upon t, and again this is the standard form, Okay, what is integration of dt upon t? What is integration of? We have integration of dx upon x, and that is nothing but log x plus c. Okay, so each and every question, each and every sum, you have to reduce in standard form by using substitution method. Okay, so it become log t plus c. Again resubstitute t, that is log of 3 plus log x plus c. That is the final answer. Okay, now next sum, evaluate integration of log x bracket raised to 9 upon x into dx. This is also same type. See, it is log and logarithmic function and algebraic function. It is u upon v form or multiplication form. Here you have to substitute t is equal to log x, you will get final answer. The answer is this one. Again, one more question, evaluate integration of 1 upon x into log x into dx. Then put t is equal to log x. तो यहाँ पर log और algebraic form परफेक्ट हो गया. तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ u upon v फॉर्म में one is algebraic, other is logarithmic, then put t is equal to log or logarithmic function. So you will get standard form. You can easily reduce to standard form. Now let's start another type of question. See this question, question number 5 from your textbook. Evaluate integration of sine inverse x bracket raised to 3 by 2 upon under root of 1 minus x square with respect to x. Let I is equal to given integration. Suppose this is equation number 1. Again you have to observe this. It is u upon v form, integration of u upon v form. But there is no u upon v formula, right? So you have to reduce this function in standard form, in standard integration. How to convert? Again you have to observe this. We cannot convert sine inverse x in terms of under root of this, or we cannot convert under root of this in terms of sine inverse by using any basic formula. So you must apply substitution method. What is substitution here? See, you can observe what is substitution में क्या है, ऐसा substitute करना एक function को, उसका derivative another function आना चाहिए. Means dx into this one is dt होना चाहिए. Yes, dt upon some constant number or some constant into dt. तो यहाँ पर क्लियर दिख रहा है. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स. व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स? दैट इज नथिंग बट 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. हाँ, इस तरीके से सपोज अब हम साइन इनवर्स को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. इट इज नॉट साइन एक्स और नॉट टैन इनवर्स. टैन इनवर्स अपॉन दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि यहाँ पर इंटीग्रेशन में सभी इंटीग्रेशन जो है एडजस्टमेंट टाइप में है, यानी दैट शुड बी इंटीग्रेबल. इंटीग्रेबल मीन्स उसका इजीली हम इंटीग्रेशन निकाल सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग बेसिक फार्मूला और सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से. मान लो अगर यहाँ पर हमने इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ tan x ले लिया और साइन x ब्रैकेट रेस टू 3 by 2 अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू डी एक्स. ये इंटीग्रेशन पॉसिबल ही नहीं. मीन्स सभी इंटीग्रेशन जो भी रहेंगे एडजस्टमेंट के रहेंगे. ओके, तो इसमें देखिए साइन इनवर्स है तो नीचे 1 अपॉन नीचे क्या आना चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं नीचे न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में होना चाहिए. दैट मे बी एट न्यूमरेटर, बोथ फंक्शन एट न्यूमरेटर, कुछ भी आ सकता है प्रीवियस लाइक प्रीवियस लॉगरिथम. सो पुट t इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x, then differentiate on both side with respect to itself, that is derivative of t is dt is equal to 1 upon under root of, what is derivative of sin inverse x? 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square into dx. From this you have to find out the value of dx. What is dx? Under root of 1 minus x square into dt. So the given integration will be I is equal to integration of sine inverse of 3 by 2 upon under root of 1 minus x square into dx is equal to t raised to, here you have to substitute the value of this. Now this similar term get cancelled, means t raised to 3 by 2 into dt, and which is standard form, and that is nothing but integration of x raised to n form. So you have to apply integration of x raised to n formula, that is t raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. you must write plus c. What is c? Integration of constant. Now you have to simplify this and substitute the value of t. What is the value of 3 by 2 plus 1? That is 5 by 2. Means 2 by 5 into t raised to 5 by 2 plus c. Again substitute the value of t, that is 2 by 5 into sine inverse of 5 by 2 plus c. That's it. So this type is very simple. You have to apply substitution method. You must remember there is no u upon v formula. Integration of u upon v is not possible. See, in this case, evaluate x into integration of x square upon under root of 1 minus x raised to 4. See, here it is algebraic and inverse function, but here the number of inverse function is x square. Okay, so you have to consider t as this one, full sine inverse of x square. Now the solution is, let I is equal to given integration, then put t is equal to sine inverse of x square. So differentiate on both sides with respect to itself. It become dt is equal to 1 upon, what is derivative of sine inverse x? 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So derivative of sine inverse of x square is nothing but 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square the whole square, that is x raised to 4, into derivative of x square into dx, means that is nothing but dt is equal to 1 upon under root of 1 minus x raised to 4 into 2x, that is 2x upon under root of 1 minus x raised to 4 into dx. So from this you have to find out the value of dx, or you have to find out this value, that is dt by, means x into this one, you have to find out the value of this one. Okay, another function is nothing but dt by 2. So, or you can find out dx. So the given integration x I is equal to x into sine inverse x square upon under root of 1 minus x raised to 4 into dx will be, see, you have to rearrange this. See, it is nothing but dt by 2. Okay, you have to rearrange this, that is t into t by dt by 2. What is 2 here at denominator? That is constant number, you have to write outside, that is 1 upon 2 into integration of dt. What is integration of t? T square by 2, that is 1 by 2 into t square by 2. So the final answer is 1 by 4 into sine inverse of x square the whole square plus c, or you can say sine inverse of x square the whole square upon 4 plus c. That's it. It's a very simple form. The means substitution method is very simple and is very important. Now extra question, evaluate integration of 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square into bracket 3 plus 2 sine inverse x with respect to x. What is substitution? The bracket 2 plus 3 sine inverse x is nothing but t. So you will get in standard form. Next integration, evaluate integration of e raised to 3x upon e raised to 3x plus 1. Again it is u upon v form. So you have to observe the given integration. ओके तो इसमें ऐसा सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है कि उसका डेरिवेटिव अदर फंक्शन आना चाहिए, एंड अगेन इट इज रिड्यूस टू स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. तो पुट टी इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे हम देखो टी इज इक्वल टू डिनोमिनेटर ले लेंगे. व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ई रेज टू 3x, दैट इज ई रेज टू 3x प्लस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 इज 0 इंटू डी एक्स, तो न्यूमरेटर इज डी टी आ जाएगा. ओके तो इस तरीके से हम यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे. पुट टी इज इक्वल टू ई रेज टू 3x प्लस 1, then dt is equal to e raised to 3x plus 0 into dx. Okay, so it become e raised to 3x into dx is equal to dt upon 3. You make a bracket here for this new value of dx or dt upon something. Now the given integration become integration of e raised to 3x upon e raised to 3x plus 1 is nothing but dt upon 3 divided by t. Then you have to write 1 upon 3 outside the integration operator, that is 1 upon 3 into integration of dt upon t. What is integration of dt upon t? That is log t. So it become 1 upon 3 into log of mod t plus c. Then resubstitute t, and that is the final answer. It's very simple. Okay. Now next question is, next is evaluate integration of e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x plus x. See here also you have to substitute t is equal to, see, t is equal to e raised to x plus x, that is denominator. It is u upon v form, but both are similar. So put t is equal to denominator. You must remember, put t is equal to denominator. See, it become dt is equal to what happened? Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x plus 1 into dx, and this is nothing but numerator. So this reduced to integration of dt upon t, and that is nothing but log of t, and resubstitute t. That is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer I. Understood? It's a very simple form, so it become standard form, and you will get the solution of the given complicated question. Now question number 8, evaluate integration of e raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 1 with respect to x. Let given integration is I, we assume that it is I. Now you have to observe this, if you substitute t is equal to e raised to 2x plus minus 1, then differentiate this, dt is equal to e raised to 2x minus 0 into dx, and that is nothing but e raised to 2x into dx. After differentiating, this is not numerator, this is not numerator, correct? So this substitution method is failed here, right? And this is from your textbook questions, and previous was extra. Okay, so after substitute, dt means e raised to, numerator is not dt upon something, some constant number k, or k into dt is not possible after differentiating. Okay, so you have to observe this. Here you have to divide numerator and denominator by e raised to x. Note this sum, this is different type of question, that is not apply direct substitution method here. You have to simplify this, that is by dividing numerator and denominator by e raised to x. So integration of, say I want to show you, integration of e raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to x divided by e raised to 2x minus 1 upon e raised to x. Then split this, that is nothing but e raised to 2x upon e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x divided by e raised to 2x upon e raised to x minus 1 upon this one. Okay, so splitting that, you will get this form. Now e raised to 2x upon e raised to x, it become e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x is nothing but e raised to minus x upon e raised to x minus e raised to minus x. Now you have to substitute t is equal to denominator. Note this step, this is very important. Note this step, this step is very important. Okay, means dividing numerator and denominator by e raised to x for this particular question. Understood? Now put t is equal to denominator, here put t is equal to denominator, t is equal to denominator, then dt is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to minus x into dx. So from 1, the given equation will be, the given sum will be dt upon t, and that is nothing but log t plus c, then resubstitute t here, that is log of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x plus c, that's it. Okay, now it's very simple form. You remember the previous step, that is dividing numerator and denominator by e raised to x. Now next question is from your textbook, evaluate integration of 1 plus x upon x into sine of x plus log x with respect to x. Let the given integration is I, denoted by I, let I is equal to integration of 1 plus x upon x into sine of x plus log x into dx. again you have to observe this given integration. Here it is u upon v form, integration of u upon v form, but integration of here you have to observe this integration of sine of this means sine of x plus log x, x plus log x. In integration or in standard formulas of integration, we have integration of sin x formula or integration of sin of ax plus b formula, sin of ax plus b formula with respect to x here, okay, with respect to x, sin of ax plus b formula, okay. There is no integration of sin of, there is no integration of sin of f of x is not possible. I already explained this one while taking standard formulas of integration, means the first video of indefinite integration. I already explained about this. See, derivative is possible, derivative of sin of f of x is possible, but integration of sin of f of x is not possible. What is f of x? F of x is any function in terms of x. See here, the angle of the sine is x plus sin x, x plus sin x. It is not x, it is function in terms of x. So this integration is not possible. This is not possible. We have integration of sin x और इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन ऑफ ए एक्स प्लस वन मीन्स, यानी मुझे ये बताना है यहाँ पर, तो इन केस ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन एंगल शुड बी एक्स और लीनियर, नॉट एनी फंक्शन, अंडरस्टूड, इज नॉट एनी फंक्शन. तो यहाँ पर अगर कोई भी फंक्शन आ गया, इफ एंगल इज एनी फंक्शन, देन पुट टी इज इक्वल टू द गिवन फंक्शन, गिवन एंगल. मान लो साइन ऑफ एक्स रेस टू 10 आ गया, एक्स रेस टू 10, एक्स रेस टू 10, एक्स रेस टू 10, देन पुट टी इज इक्वल टू एक्स रेस टू 10. Okay, because of we have standard formulas, derivative of integration of sin x is there, integration of sin of linear polynomial is there, but integration of sin of f of x is not possible. तो आप यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, बहुत इजी टाइप है. इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, एनी फंक्शन इनटू ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, तो एंगल शुड बी टी, दैट्स इट. एंगल अगर x और लीनियर छोड़ के अगर कोई भी आ गया तो पुट t इज इक्वल टू एंगल. That's very simple. Okay, so put t is equal to x plus log x. यहाँ पर समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स? तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन में अगर एंगल x और लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल छोड़ के कोई भी फंक्शन आ गया तो पुट t इज इक्वल टू एंगल, तो ऑटोमेटिक वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में. तो पुट t इज इक्वल टू x प्लस लॉग x. सो डिफरेंशिएटिंग ऑन बोथ साइड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इटसेल्फ, दैट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ t इज dt इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन x इंटू dx. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ dt विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x निकालना है हमें, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ t इज dt विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इटसेल्फ, दैट इज 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन x. देन यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस. यहाँ पे हमें dx निकालना है और अदर फंक्शन इज dt समथिंग आ जाएगा. देन टेकिंग एलसीएम एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दैट इज dt इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 1 अपॉन x. ओके, दिस वन कीप एज इट इज, और यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट x. तो आप इस तरीके से भी निकाल सकते हैं, x भी निकाल सकते हैं, और दिस वन कीप एज इट इज. यहाँ पे आपको एक ब्रैकेट बनाना है, राइट, फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस. सो द गिवन इंटीग्रेशन बिकम, सी, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 I is equal to, what is I? I is, I want to show you, I is equal to 1 upon or x. See here, I is equal to 1 plus x upon x into sine of this one into dx. See, rearrange this or you have to find out dx. तो अगर dx नहीं निकालना है तो rearrange करेंगे 1 upon sine of this one into 1 plus x upon x, and this is nothing but dt from this bracket. Okay, this is dt. So it become integration of 1 upon sin t, see, integration of 1 upon sin t into dt, but there is no integration of 1 upon sin t. You have the formula, you are familiar with 1 upon sin x, that is the reciprocal of sin x is nothing but cosec, that is integration of cosec t dt. And what is integration of cosec t? That is, there are two formulas, cosec, integration of cosec, but you have to apply second one, that is log of tan of t by 2 plus c. Okay, log of tan of t by 2 plus c, and resubstitute t, right, resubstitute t here, that is log of, by using this formula, that is log of tan of x plus log x upon 2 plus c, that's it. तो यहाँ पर आपको याद रखना है, in case of trigonometric function, angle is not x or not linear, linear means ax plus b, then put t is equal to angle. Now one more question from your textbook, let I is equal to integration of x raised to 9 into sec square of x raised to 10 into dx. What is the angle here? The angle is x raised to 10, is not x or not linear, it is x raised to 10. Then what is the next method? Yes, you are right, put t is equal to x raised to 10. So you have to find out dx, okay, that is differentiate on both sides with respect to t, that is dt is equal to 10 into x raised to 9 dx. So x raised to 9 into dx is equal to dt, right. So you make a bracket here, or you have to find out the value of t. This is not necessary to write in answer sheet, okay, is not important this part. I explained already, if angle is not x, then you put x equal to t is equal to the angle. So the given integration I is equal to, what is I? X raised to 9 into sec square of x raised to 10 into dx. This one rearrange this, that is sec square of x raised to 10 into x raised to 9 dx. And what is this? This is nothing but dt. So dt upon something, that is nothing but integration of sec square t into dt upon 10. So you have to simplify this, because of this is standard form, standard integration, it becomes 1 upon 10 into integration of sec square t dt. What is integration of sec square t? That is tan t, means 1 upon 10 into tan t plus c. Now resubstitute t, that is 1 upon 10 into tan of x raised to 10 plus c. That's it. It's very simple form. अगर angle complicated आ गया, angle is any function except x and linear, then put t is equal to that angle. It's very simple. Now next question, evaluate integration of e raised to x into bracket 1 plus x upon cos square of x into e raised to x. Again it is same type, okay. See, you have to observe the angle here, angle is x into this one, it is not x, it is multiplication of two functions, exponential and algebraic. Then what is next step? Yes, you are right, that is put t is equal to x into e raised to x. So you have to differentiate this with respect to itself, that is dt is equal to, by using product rule. See here, t is u into v form, okay. Then by product rule it become, see, first function as it is, x as it is into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is into derivative of x is 1 into dx by multiplication rule or by product rule. So taking e raised to x common here, dt is equal to e raised to x into bracket 1 plus x into dx, and you make a bracket here for the value of dt, or numerator is dt. So the given integration will be, it's very simple, whatever may be the angle, you have to substitute t is equal to that angle. Therefore the given integration will be dt by t, dt by cos square t, and what is 1 upon cos t or cos x? What is 1 upon cos x? Sec x. So 1 upon cos square x, sec square x. So 1 upon cos square t, sec square t, and this is standard form. What is integration of sec square t? Tan t plus c, and resubstitute t, that is tan of x into e raised to x plus c. That's it. This is the final answer, okay. Means whatever may be the angle, you have to substitute t is equal to the angle. Now the another form is, see, its structure is more complicated, but it's very simple. Question number 14 from your textbook, evaluate 10 into x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x into log 10 upon 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 with respect to x. Here you have to observe this. It is different type of function, logarithm and algebraic form. Log 10 is there. Log 10 is not 1 because of base is e here. Base is not given means it is e. In maximum question, if it is u upon v, if it is integration of numerator and denominator form is there, then put t is equal to denominator. Okay. See here, if you substitute t is equal to denominator, what is denominator? 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10. Then dt will be, what is derivative of 10 raised to x? You know a raised to x form, a raised to x, that is a raised to x into log a. So it become 10 raised to x into log 10, and this is nothing but this form, second term aa gaya, plus what is the derivative of x raised to n? N into x raised to n minus 1, and that is nothing but bracket complete into dx here. Okay, and this is nothing but numerator. If you substitute t is equal to denominator here, put t is equal to denominator, then put t is equal to denominator, then dt is nothing but numerator. Okay, so you have to substitute t is equal to, let I is equal to given integration, let put t is equal to denominator. So you will get integration I is equal to dt upon t, and this is standard form, and that is nothing but log t plus c. Resubstitute t here, and that is the final answer. तो देखिए स्ट्रक्चर एकदम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा है आपको, लेकिन इसका सोल्यूशन बहुत आसान है. तो यहाँ पर डरने की कोई बात नहीं, क्योंकि इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कोई भी फंक्शन आने दो, यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व दैट. इसके लिए आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूली आना चाहिए, और वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूली फर्स्ट वीडियो में हमने किया था, इंटीग्रेशन का फर्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, सबसे पहले मैं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूलेज देता हूँ. जो भी चैप्टर की समरीज है, जो भी बेसिक रूल लगने वाले हैं, सबसे पहले आपको देते हैं, क्योंकि आप वो फॉर्मूले या जो मेथड है सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे, और धीरे धीरे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हमने वो लिंक दिया है, चाहे तो उस पर जाके आप वो लिंक ओपन कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ओके, यहाँ पे हम स्टॉप करते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा वीडियो हो जाएगा, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे 3 पार्ट्स किए. एक्सरसाइज 3.2a के 3 पार्ट्स कर चुके हैं, और एक वीडियो आएगा बेसिक थ्योरम्स पे. ओके, बेसिक थ्योरम पे यानी 4 वीडियो इसके आ जाएंगे, फिर 3.2 भी आ जाएगा. इफ़ यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू like and share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe my channel.